if you want to get paid $5.99 for every click you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you free app that rewards its members with real money. To put it simply, once you become a member of their platform, you can then start using their offers so you can build up your balance and get your payout. So, watch the video all through, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Are you looking for a reliable way to make money online? Well, now you can with this free app. Paidverts. Paidverts is a paid-to-click platform where members get paid for viewing ads for a few seconds. But, unlike other PTCs, they've designed a system that lets you earn according to your involvement within the website. They reward users for activity and long-term commitment through a bonus ad points system, where users can prove their value. Bonus ad points will determine your rank among other members and will be crucial to define your daily earnings. Most PTCs have a fixed value for every ad you click, but at Paidverts you're going to earn from a few cents to whole dollars with a few clicks. By holding bonus ad points, BAP, you are eligible to be part of an ad issue, which is the distribution of paid ads. Over time this will prove your value and they will start delivering bigger ads to you as their advertisers are more likely to have you as their client. To get started, visit the paid ads section and view all your activation ads to stock up on bonus ad points. Ad issues are sent manually during the morning, server time. You may want to check every few hours to see if your paid ads have been distributed to your account. Be informed that every time a paid ad is delivered to your account, your BAP is consumed in exchange. There's an easier way to open your way to an exclusive section of the ad issue through achievement points. APS will prove your activity and value to Paidverts and you'll be rewarded with additional cash ads sent to you. This system takes no more than a few minutes for you to complete the round of paid ads. The ad issue is sent only from Monday to Friday. As Paidverts loves to reward active members, there are a few other tools that will help you to maximize your earnings. They have other options to earn money on Paidverts. One of them is through cash offers, which are third-party tasks that pay you to complete simple activities. They have unlimited earning potential, so don't hesitate to have a look frequently. Another way is by referring other members to join Paidverts, as it will allow you to earn 10% from all advertising they buy, and 5% of every paid ad they view. And last but not least, referring friends will give you access to an exclusive section of the ad issue. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.